Looking for a compact treadmill that delivers challenging workouts while fitting perfectly into your home space? Best Incline Portable Electric Treadmill offers effective cardio training, higher calorie burn, and convenient space-saving performance. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started.
Number 1. Cursor Fitness Incline Treadmill. The Cursor Fitness Incline Treadmill is an excellent choice for users looking to increase workout intensity without investing in a large gym machine. Its standout feature is the adjustable manual incline system that offers 0%, 8%, and 16% settings, allowing users to simulate hill climbs and target lower body muscles more effectively. Powered by a quiet 3.0 HP brushless motor, it operates at noise levels below 45 decibels, making it ideal for apartments and shared living spaces. The treadmill supports speeds from 0.6 to 7.0 mph, accommodating everything from casual walking to steady jogging. 3 LED display screens provide easy access to workout data, including speed, distance, calories, and time. The spacious running surface, combined with a multi-layer shock-absorbing belt and built-in cushioning system, helps reduce joint stress while improving comfort. With a heavy-duty frame supporting up to 400 pounds, this treadmill offers durability, stability, and performance for home fitness enthusiasts. Number 2. ApexNexus Foldable Walking Pad Treadmill. The ApexNexus Foldable Walking Pad Treadmill is designed for users who want powerful incline training in a compact, apartment-friendly package. Featuring a 15% automatic incline, it adds challenge to workouts by simulating uphill walking and running, helping users burn more calories and engage additional muscle groups. The treadmill is powered by a 3.0 HP brushless motor that delivers smooth performance while maintaining quiet operation below 50 decibels. With speeds ranging from 0.6 to 7.5 mph, it suits both beginners and experienced users. The 6-layer cushioned running belt helps absorb impact and reduce strain on the knees and joints, creating a safer and more comfortable workout experience. One of its most convenient features is the folding design, which allows the treadmill to collapse quickly without tools and store easily under a bed or in a closet. Combining performance, portability, and space-saving convenience, this treadmill is ideal for modern home fitness setups.
Number 3. Renestar Folding Treadmill. The Renestar Folding Treadmill offers an impressive blend of performance, comfort, and convenience for home fitness enthusiasts. Its automatic incline system adjusts up to 15%, providing users with the flexibility to increase workout intensity and target different fitness goals. Combined with speeds ranging from 0.5 to 10 mph, it supports everything from brisk walking to more demanding running sessions. The treadmill includes 12 built-in workout programs that help keep exercise routines varied and engaging. A key highlight is the patented 6-point shock absorption system designed to reduce impact on the knees and ankles while delivering a smoother running experience. The spacious running surface allows natural movement, while the quiet motor ensures minimal disturbance during workouts. Additional features such as Bluetooth speakers, pulse monitoring, quick access controls, and a large LCD display enhance the overall user experience. Its foldable design and simple setup make it especially suitable for apartments and compact living spaces. Number 4. Sytiry Incline Treadmills for Home. The Sytiry Incline Treadmills for Home combines advanced technology with reliable workout performance, making it a strong option for users who enjoy connected fitness experiences. Its 10-inch high-def touchscreen serves as the centerpiece, offering intuitive controls and access to entertainment features through Wi-Fi connectivity. Built-in compatibility with popular streaming platforms, along with hi-fi speakers, helps make workouts more enjoyable and engaging. The treadmill features a 3-level manual incline system reaching up to 9%, allowing users to add variety and challenge to their training sessions. Powered by a durable 3.5 HP motor, it delivers smooth performance across speeds ranging from 0.5 to 9 mph. The 7-layer shock-absorbing running belt helps minimize impact on joints and supports greater comfort during longer workouts. With 36 built-in exercise programs, multiple countdown modes, and a sturdy frame supporting up to 350 pounds, this treadmill offers a versatile and feature-rich solution for home fitness.
Number 5. Aiteid 12% Incline Treadmill. The Aiteid 12% Incline Treadmill is a compact and practical machine designed for users seeking efficient workouts in limited spaces. Its 3.0 HP brushless motor delivers smooth operation while keeping noise levels around 55 decibels, making it suitable for apartments and shared households. The 12% manual incline helps simulate uphill terrain, increasing calorie burn and adding greater challenge to walking and running sessions. Users can choose from 12 preset workout programs and monitor their progress through the LED display, which tracks speed, distance, calories, time, and steps. A 6-layer running belt, combined with multiple shock absorbers and impact reduction pads, helps protect the knees and joints while providing a stable running surface. The treadmill supports users up to 300 pounds and includes convenient transport wheels for easy movement. Its lightweight design and compact footprint make storage simple, allowing it to fit comfortably in small homes, apartments, or home office environments. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.